Hey guys, today I would like to share you one more amazing widget app. With this one, the good thing about it is like you can place the widget that animate on your home screen. You can tell from the clock here, it actually like rotate in real times. And mostly if you get like the widget app from the App Store, it does not animate it when you place it on the home screen. But with this one, it did a great job. Now let me show you how to have this. What you're gonna do is to go into the App Store and search for one widget. With this one, it mostly free. Then just go ahead and download it. Now let me open. From here you can like you have a recommendation where you have like most of the widget that are available on this app. And then you have like all of these widget that has been sold here are all animated. And then you have clock and you have calendar. So let's say if I want to put like line, and let me go ahead and select this one. I can go ahead and click on add widgets, and then click on save widget here, and click on my widgets. And now it has been added into my widget here, medium one, and I can go ahead and replace it. So now let me remove first and add a new widgets. Just go ahead and edit on your home screen, click on the plus button, and you're gonna search for one widget, this one, just tap on it. And now let me put this one and hold on the widget itself, click on edit widget, click on choose, and then you're gonna choose the one that you have just download and add at the moment. If you take a look closely on this cassette widget, you can also tell like it slowly rotates and it is slowly moving, and it is very awesome widget, and I hope you like it. And you can go ahead and download from the App Store or click on the link in my video description, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.